Good afternoon to all. Today I'm going to complete the exercise 15.3. Exercise 15.3. The chapter is differential equation. Solve the following differential equation. Question number 1. First part, it is given dy by dx is equal to x by x square plus 1. This is given and you have to solve. Okay, question is solve the following differential equation. First question number 1, first part is given dy by dx is equal to x by x square plus 1. First of all, you have to separate the variable. So dy is equal to how much? X dx by 1 plus x square. Just after the separation of variable, you have to integrating both sides. As you know, dy integration is y. And here you see, if I write the derivative of 1 plus x square, that will 2x. It is present x, that means write half and 2x dx. Then 1 plus x square. After that you can write easily y is equal to 1 by 2. Whenever the derivative of denominator present in the numerator, the answer is log of denominator, that is 1 plus x square. Plus c, integration constant. This is the answer for number 1, first part. Let us go second part. The second part question given dy by dx is equal to x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x. And this is the question given. You have to solve the differential equation. First of all, you have to separate the variables. Dy is equal to x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x whole dx. After the separation of variables, you have to integrate both sides. Now, integration of dy, that is y, and integration of x to the power 5 dx, this will be x to the power 6 by 6 plus x square. X square dx integration is x cube by 3, and this one is minus 2 by x, means minus 2 integration dx by x, that is log x, because derivative of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x dx integration is log x, and you write plus c, integration constant. This is the answer. Number 1, second part also completed. Let's go number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part, it is given is dy by dx is equal to given x square plus sin 3x. X square plus sin 3x. How to solve this one? First you write dy this side, dx take that side. That means x square plus sin 3x whole dx. After the separation of variables, you have to integrate. Integrating both sides. So what is the integration of dy? That is y. So what is the integration of x square dx? That will be x cube by 3. Integration of sin 3x dx, it will be minus cos 3x by 3, because coefficient of x is divided, and plus you have to write constant. Okay. So what is the answer? The solution is y is equal to, therefore y is equal to 1 by 3 taking common x cube minus cos 3x plus c. This is the solution of the above differential equation. See, exercise 15.3, number 1 first part, second part completed, and number 2 first part also completed. Okay, I hope you are able to understand the process of solving the differential equation. This is the first exercise solving the differential equation 15.3. Let's go one more question. Second part question is see, number 2, second part. It is given dy by dx dy dx plus 2x is equal to given e to the power 3x. It is given. This is a differential equation and you have to solve this differential equation. So first of all you have to separate the variables. How? Taking 2x that side, dy by dx is equal to e to the power 3x minus 2x. Now multiplying dx that side, this will be dy e to the power 3x minus 2x whole dx. Integrating both sides after separation of variables. So what is the integration of dy? That is y. The integration of e to the power 3x dx will be e to the power 3x by 3. The coefficient divided minus 2 into derivative of x dx is x square by 2. And you have to write one constant, that is c. So what is the final answer? The final answer is y is equal to 1 by 3 e to the power 3x minus x square and plus c. This is the answer. Number 2, second part. Let us go number 3. Question number 3, it is given number 3 first part. Let's see number 3 first part is given dx is equal to given x square plus 2x plus 2 whole dy. This is the question given and you have to solve this differential equation. So first of all you have to separate the variables. This will be dx by x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to dy. After the separation of variables you have to integrate. Okay. Now you see, so this is dx integration. You have to arrange properly. X square plus 2x plus 1, this will be x plus 1 whole square and this will be 1 left. That means 1 whole square. And is equal to dy integration is y. Now tell me what is the integration of this one? As you know, dx by x square plus a square, that will be x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square. If you substitute here also, let x plus 1 is equal to u, this will be dx will be du by u square plus 1, that will be tan inverse u. I am doing directly. This will be tan inverse x plus 1 plus c is equal to y. So what is the final answer? Therefore final answer is y is equal to tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. This is the solution of the above differential equation. Number 3 first part completed. I hope it is clear for you. Let us go next one. Next question number 3 second part. Question given x plus 2 dy is equal to x square plus 4x minus 9 dx. Okay. So first of all you have to separate the variables. It is given. The dy is equal to, this you take that side, x square plus 4x minus 9 divided by x plus 2 dx. After that you have to integrate. Integrating both sides. See, dy integration is y, that is no doubt. How to integrate this one? Whenever the power of x is greater than that of the denominator, means you have to divide. Normal division you have to do. How to divide? If you divide x square plus 4x minus 9 by x plus 2, what will be the result? In the rough work you have to divide. Just to see. If you divide this one, the quotient will be x plus 2, because x plus 2 into x plus 2 will be x square plus 4x plus 4, and here given minus 9, that means minus 13 will be the remainder. Minus 13 divided by divisor, that is x plus 2. If you divide, you will get quotient will be x plus 2, remainder will be minus 13. That means you have to arrange properly. This is the proper process. After division you have to get this one. So y is equal to integration x dx plus 2 1 dx minus 13 integration dx by x plus 2. Now tell me what is the result we are getting here. Y is equal to x square by 2. This will be 2x minus 13 log of x plus 2. Okay. Plus c is the integration constant. And this is the final answer for this question number 3, second part. And number 4. Just to see number 4, what is given? Number 4, first part it is given e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dy by dx is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. This is the question given and you have to solve this differential equation. First of all, you have to separate variables. Use this one, you divide. That means dy by dx, it will be e to the power x minus e to the power x minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Next step, you have to write dy is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x whole dx. Now integrating both sides. So what is the integration of dy? That is y, no doubt. Now you see, derivative of denominator means e to the power x plus e to the minus derivative will be e to the power x minus of e to the power minus x. Whatever it should be log of denominator, that is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Whenever the derivative of denominator present in numerator, the integration of that one will be log of integration log of denominator plus c. And this is the answer of number 4 first part. Okay.